All right, what's up, guys? It's Luke here. Today we're going to run through this trade recap. We took one loss and then we took one win. We ended the day, or in the PM session, this was completely different accounts than AM, 1,492. And here's the executions. And then I took this loss as well. Interesting session. Didn't really plan to trade PM, but I had the Funded X Rapid dailies and I was like, why not trade them? I already traded my Lucid Pros in AM session. And I was just like, why not try it? You know what I mean? I usually never trade PM FOMC. But I was like, whatever. If I see some good volume, I got home from the gym and I was like, I'm just gonna take a look and see what happens. So, basically, if you guys seen this morning, I took that continuation short. I really like that trade, and from there, what happened is we actually got a really nice opportunity for longs. If you guys were on the charts here, I think we had a 5-minute continuation right before 1 p.m. That looked really clean. Unfortunately, was not on for that. From there, FOMC comes out at 2. Where's 2 o'clock? Right here. So 2 o'clock comes out. I was not home until right before 2:30. I was going to wait for the press conference anyway. So we have this initial move up at FOMC. We end up taking out the 2 p.m. data low. And as you can see from 2:30, after the press conference, we just get this slow move to the upside. So at this point, a lot of the times what you'll see is a move one way and then you'll see a move the other way on these, like especially FOMC. So that's kind of what I was waiting to play here. So what I seen was this steep move up. I'm thinking at this point in the back of my head, okay, we're probably gonna want to run through this, like just we're probably gonna want to rebalance this leg. Like there's no way we're just gonna keep going higher here. And then you could see that NQ came up and ended up taking out these highs right here. And we look at ES at the same time. We can see ES failed to take out these highs right here. It was an S&T off of these highs right here. So personally for me, I'm like, okay, what I'm looking at is this 5-minute leg to the upside. I want to see get rebalanced because even if I'm long, I want to see price rebalance into these unfilled 5-minute gaps to push price higher. So I want to catch a short. I don't really care. I'm looking for a high RR play. I'm willing to take it. And you know what I mean? I'm going to go for a high RR trade and just de-risk. Like I don't really care because I know I have confidence. I've seen this play out so many times that price will just like aggressively retrace. So I take a stab at an early entry here and I get cooked on this. Basically, I was looking to trade into this unfilled 5. I was going to go break even at this unfilled 5 and then see if I could hold for lower. So I took this 1-minute inversion. Mistake was taking the first 1 minute, but again, I really didn't care. I just had really confidence that we were going to just rebalance that leg. So as you can see, I was trying to go break even after we pushed below this internal low as well, as soon as this started to reject. But as you can see, we get super close and then we end up getting stop hunted there, which it's not a big deal. Like I said, I didn't go crazy on the risk on that one anyway. And we get stop hunted there, and then at that point I was a little bit pissed off because I seen price just start dumping and I was like, wow, like did I just miss the move? But we end up forming this 5-minute gap right here, and this is where I actually start wanting to get back involved in this trade. Now reason being, look at ES left low resistance right here leading in towards an unfilled I believe it was just the 30-minute. Was it a 30-minute or was it an hourly? No, it was an hourly. You could see right here we left an unfilled hourly gap right here. It technically, yeah, the 30, but whatever. But yeah, we have low resistance leading in towards that gap, and then we have this 5 minutes. So basically, I want to see NQ and ES manipulate into this 5, give us confirmation for shorts, and I want to see us trade lower because I want to see this whole move up just get retraced on. That's just what I'm thinking, because a lot of people are thinking, oh, FOMC is bullish, we're going to continue higher, and then we're just going to do the complete opposite. So basically, I was waiting on a lower time frame here. We had 3:15, and again, this is really late, but again, the volume was really good since it was FOMC. So we get this manipulation up at 3:15. I'm looking at this to be an open high low close PO3 kind of play on the 15-minute candle. You look on the 30-second, we kind of have accumulation. I'm looking for a clear manipulation, and I want to catch that move lower. I'm just looking for the continuation because I'm assuming that the trend is strong and it's going to continue strong. So we manipulate into this 5-minute gap right here. We kind of sweep out this lower time frame buy side. We kind of had these like stacked highs right here. We sweep these out, and then we look at ES at the same time. ES also manipulates into that 5-minute. There has low resistance liquidity below. We get a 15-second inversion on NQ and ES, and the reason I'm taking a 15 here is because I know that volume is good. I am very confident that price just wants to continue lower, and I know we're not going to get a 30-second or something like that, so I'm trying to get involved in this trade as fast as possible. So I see us tap this 5-minute. I'm looking at this to be an open high low close, 5-minute continuation. I want to see us run this low resistance, and I just want to target all the way lower because I have confidence that we can at least see ES run lower, because you could see ES left, like I said, all of these lows right here. I'm like, okay, these are going to get taken out eventually. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's not a big deal. So We get that nice 15-second inverse. I get entered on a bit of a pullback right here. And I had my stop above the 5 minute gap just in case we wanted to see price maybe manipulate up one more time, maybe tap CE. So I gave it a little bit of room, and I wanted to go break even down here. I wanted to give this room because I wanted to hold for lower, like I mentioned. So initially, right after the trade, we get really fast into profit. I go break even as soon as we take this low out right here. I'm like, okay, if we flush, we flush. If not, we get break even on this trade. Really not a big deal. So I literally just left the computer, came back, and set my take profit at that 15-minute low right here, and I'm smacking take profit again. Probably could have held this, but again, this, keep in mind, it was like 3:30 at this point. Well, when I entered the trade, it was 3:15, so we actually hit take profit pretty quick. Again, could I have held lower? 100%, but it's not really a big, like, I really wasn't trying to hold until 4 p.m. I didn't know what was going to happen, but as you can see, ES did come down, and it did end up tapping into that 1 hour gap, and it ran even lower. So the bearish trend did continue. So again, SMT, let me go back. SMT off these highs right here. Again, I want to see this whole FOMC leg get rebalanced. First try, again, I get an early entry. Probably not the best because, again, I was trying to just trade into these unfilled fives. Probably should have waited for the stop hunt, but again, I tried it and we get stopped out there. From there, we see I get a little bit like pissed off because, again, I just got stop hunted and price goes down, but we get this 5 minute continuation. We have NQ and ES having draws on liquidity lower. They're both respecting a 5 minute. Again, ES has low resistance leading towards a 1 hour. Take the 15-second inversion and get entered on the retrace, and again, just took it down to this low over here. So that's it for me, guys. Let me know if you guys traded PM, but that's it for me. Pretty happy with this. We do end on pretty good profit. I'm going to request another payout with Funded Next tonight on the Rapid Daily. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. I'll post it on the Discord. That's it for me. Talk to you guys later. Peace.